Welcome back everybody. I'm just opening to the browser to just clearing you what I just want to do here. You know that some posts from this list are actually in draft mode but are showing there and obviously there as well. And the second thing is, what if there are a lot of posts, how to manage them? This is really impossible to show the 1,000 posts in one page. Actually not impossible but really hard to read all of them for user. So definitely we have to add some kind of pagination here as well, and how to just bound the posts in a limit. And specifically I'd have to add limits here. So I'm just opening the notepad, and this is the new post page, and I'm just going to the not the admins index. I'm just closing all the admins area right now. Then I'll open all that if I just need. Right now I'm just clicking on CMS and I'm just opening the index.php. Okay, and where I'll open that, not the search or post, actually the include and the sidebar.php. Okay, so what to do now, I'm just going to the index.php first, and here where I'm just getting all the data is actually there. Select all from posts. Okay, but I'm just adding a new clause of where the status is equal to what the published. Okay, now save that, and I'm just not just published, actually it's just I just go to the browser. The status is publish, but it should be published, by the way. This is more preferred. Here I'm just adding the published as well, and then if I just go to the new post, and here is the option to send the data. Okay, definitely I just forgot one thing, that you know that I just added the status here when I just submit the data with image, but if I just didn't submit the image, then what to do here? This is the another SQL query which is actually without the image, but here I didn't edit the status, so let's just add the status here as well, status, and then after the status is date, and before that the category. So here between the category and the date I'm adding another new thing, and what is the new thing is the post status. Why I'm just doing this? Because I just go to the browser and to the server, and I got that there. I just didn't mention any status like publish or draft, but right now I'm just adding putting it on draft. So let's just refresh that. Okay, now I'm getting an error, so go to the browser and just click on the index.php. and why I'm just getting the problem where the status is equals to, in which line I'm just getting the error, actually line number 32. It means there, that means there is something wrong here. Again I just have to remove the, this is the English word, by the way, where status is equal to publish. Okay, now I'm just getting only 2 posts, but here I'm just continuously adding the 4 posts. But why I'm just adding the having only 2 posts? Because I just set it the other one as draft. If I just type here the published, press enter and just refresh that, now I'll get 3 posts. But the interesting thing is, this one is the new and latest post, by the way, so this post should be on top. Okay, so what to do for that? I am going there, and actually I'm just adding some more things in the SQL query. I'm just typing order by ID. Okay, order by ID, and DESC, it means the descendant, in the descendant way, order by ID. And you know that the descendant ID means from 6 to 1. Let's just refresh that, and the new one is on first, and the last one is on the last here, the second post, but the first post is actually in the draft mode, so that is perfect. So the other thing is, I'll add the pagination in next class, but here I'm just going to the sidebar. Here is the sidebar. Okay, so first of all, just copy these things and just paste. What is these things? Actually the status should be published, and the order by ID DESC. So here I'm just adding the status here, and then add another thing, limit. Okay, I'm just typing limit as 3 or 2 right now. Okay, I'm adding limit as 2, and here I just mentioned that id desc means I'm just getting the result from last 2. The limit is 2 because let's just refresh that. I'm getting only 2, and the last one is on top, and the second last is on the second number, and then nothing more than that. But this is too much light, so I'm adding 6 instead of 2. So go to the browser and refresh that, and now I'm getting all the 3 posts, because obviously I just mentioned that only show the published post as well, so everything is fine there in the both pages. In next class I will add the pagination, and I'll make the pagination workable, so stay tuned and goodbye.